What did you find? I found this. Yeah, if I took the pictures and like edited them, what would I do with them afterwards?
You could keep them, and later on, you may find a place you want to use them, like gift cards, and you can give it to them. I am so out of breath.
I'm fine.
I guess I need to exercise more. Not looking forward to that. Oh. All right, Kayla said he found a seashell. Where was it? Ah, there it is.
That's pretty.
That's a nice little find. That's cute.
I wonder who did it. Does it have like it's?
No, it's just a Bible verse. Leave it right there. Someone else can find it. Tiny mushrooms. Did you find a mushroom?
Yeah, there are a lot over here.
Oh wow, there sure is. Looks like Nellie's my buddy today.
Today, anyway.
Everybody else left us.
Oh yeah, I can't even hear them. Well, we'll find them when we get to the car at least. This one.
Ooh.
There's another. I like that one better.
Are they mushrooms, or are you trying
Those
to
are
get...
mushrooms, and then there is a pine cone. So far, I only found one mosquito.
One mosquito?
Yeah, a mosquito.
Is that a picture of it?
No, it's the mushroom, but there was a mosquito on mine.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They're probably gonna get worse the farther we go in.
Yeah, hopefully not. And I know ticks are pretty bad right now too.
Water.
No, but I've been wanting to go camping since we're having that trip in September.
Oh yeah.
But I want to go camping for the sake of camping before the trip. I thought it'd be fun to find a campsite where they have found big footprints.
That sounds a little interesting. There they are. They're playing on the hill.
Ready, Nelly?
For what?
What? Are you ready to be prison?
Figure we can go to that trail. We haven't been in that one.
Oh sure, yeah. I haven't been
I
on.
saw that guy have trail running.
Yeah, Mom was taking a picture or video, and then the guy passed.
He said, "Look."
Okay, who's running? Oh God! Oh Nelly, did you guys find running? We are running.
Awesome.
Did you find
Nice
was it
out
just
here.
that colored shell?
No.
Good day to start.
Oh, yeah.
Good video.
Just that?
We'll go there.
I just wanted to get a picture of a mushroom with some water in it.
Oh, nice. Water in it. Ooh. I may be able to change the water so that it looks blue.
Ooh, that'd be nice. Can you make it like more clear or something?
I don't know about clear, but I can possibly make it blue.
That sounds nice.
Did you get your picture, Caleb?
Yeah. Are you getting your rock doll?
No. We want to cook this tonight.
Do it, Jenna.
Huh?
Jenna. Alright, let's go.
I think today calls for sushi.
Really? I was thinking about buying steaks.
Well,
I don't know. It's silly. Good steak. We'll fry some beans, make some homemade corn tortillas.
Yeah, those taste better.
And so Put it in there.
There's something in your shoe.
Where are they going?
They're going ahead. You want me to bring you with them?
Carry me, and put that in
Okay.